Hey, Tech Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to turn on Do Not Disturb in Asana. So it's really easy to do. Who's to start with? You're going to open up your Asana account. Then you're going to find your profile picture, which should be in the bottom left-hand corner. So I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to click on settings. And from there, I'm going to look towards the top and I'm going to click on notifications. So this is where you can edit the different types of notifications you want to get. If you scroll down to the bottom here, you should see a Do Not Disturb button. And if I click the Show Options tab and scroll down a little bit, I have a few different options here. So I can pause notifications altogether, or I can edit when I want to be notified, like do not notify me from, and I can say from 5 p.m. to 6 o'clock in the morning. And you can also edit which days you want to not be disturbed. So you can click on like Monday or Tuesday or Saturday or Sunday, whatever days you don't want to be disturbed. So that's it. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.